Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. And my name is Adam Ewezari with name 4151 And this time I'm gonna discuss about how memory is measured. Okay, let's get started. How memory is measured. Computer memory is what stores information both permanently and temporarily. Computer memory, in the form of integrated circuits, refers to the storage space located in the computer hardware. It's the part of computer that store the data to be processed and instructions for data processing. Where the human brain is the biological version of memory. Computer memory is the technical one that stores information using two distinct mechanisms such as ROM, read-only memory, and RAM, random access memory. This device uses integrated circuit and different operating system, hardware, and software application use them for functioning. Computer memory that we're familiar with can be volatile and non-volatile, or RAM and ROM respectively. Just in case you're interested in knowing what they're called in the technical terms. Volatile memory or RAM relies on the power that a computer runs on. It means this kind of memory loss what stored as a device loses its power. You might have seen that some of work becomes unavailable on the computer reboots or shutdowns. Often referred to as NVRAM, non-volatile memory keeps content in case of power outage or sudden reboots. Did you ever hear of EPROM? It's a physical form of non-volatile memory. And it all starts with the units. Not exactly like the different units we use in our real world. Here are the units of memory measurement. There is a binary digit or bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte, exabyte, zettabyte, and yottabyte. The bit is small of measurement which has a binary value of 0 or 1. 4 bits when combined or grouped equally to one nibble, while 8 of them when combined or grouped make a byte. Computers are designed to manipulate bits in groups or combination of a fixed size, which in technical jargon is known as words. User barely work with one bit of information at the time as it's the smallest instrument of that computer data. On the other hand, a byte contains usable information like one particular SCII character. It's easy for a lot of users to get confused about the notation of bits and bytes. It's because of the abbreviation and names for the numbers of bits. Let's get this concept straight to your clear understanding. The number of bits when abbreviated use B in the lower case and not the uppercase. As you've learned that 1 byte equal 8 bits, keeping this in mind can be crucial to your understanding of the whole thing. You can take the advertisement for a broadband connection package into the consideration to understanding this. If your connection comes advertised with 3.0 Mbps as the download speed, you should take that the speed is going to be 0.375 megabytes per second or 3.0 megabytes per second. Furthermore, it will be expressed as 0.375 Mbps. Understanding the distinction between binary and decimal system, because computer use the binary based 2 method, which is unlike the decimal based 10 methods. A kilobyte contains 1024 bytes or not 1000 bytes, as many might have mistakenly regarded so far. So 1 MB contains 1,048,576 bytes or 1024 kilobytes instead of 1 million bytes or 1000 kilobytes. Similarly, 1 gigabyte contains 1024 megabytes or 1,073,741,824 bytes instead of 1000 megabytes or 1 billion bytes. How do manufacturers and computers define memory capacity? Hard drive manufacturing companies take a different route order the binary digits or its subsequent large units. Using a decimal system, manufacturers define the space a particular hard drive comes with. You'll see 1 MB is described as 1 million bytes, 1 GB as 1 billion bytes each. So you can now easily understand why there's always a difference in the numeric expression of the capacity of hard drive in the particular of the manufacturer and the system of your computer. For example, 10 GB HDD based on a decimal system stores technically 10 million bytes. The binary system of computer, in terms of the way it's defined, should say the capacity is 10 billion 737 million 418,000 204 bytes, but the computer acknowledged only 9.31 GB instead of 10 GB. A beginner will easily call it a sign of malfunction, which is not. The only thing that's happened here is the difference angles the memory is divided. This is a table showing the computer memory assessment. Thank you for your time and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.